Ago, this was the Tuburan Learning Center, but now this serves as the home for the homeless children like them with no parents. And they live by getting garbage at the dumping site across their house. This is how they live. Hi.
Hi, Day. Dali ka kayo. Ay, dali na ka matog. Ay, dali ka sila.
Yan ang mga hood. Gano'n, ilang-ilang. Yan ang mga shorts.